Hey guys, welcome back. Now, for the most part, we're working on our Toyota Supra. That thing is awesome, but we got a little A to B car, our Ultima right here, doing a little radiator and fan upgrade and doing a quick repair, and I promise we'll be back on that Supra to go rip. Here's the door panel. The owner got stuck in the car because the handle right here, let me show you, has a little tab that broke off. Now, here's the handle, right? You can see when you open it. Well, the cable sits right in here, and this little tab just kind of snapped back, which lets the cable fall off. So we're gonna glue it real fast with the InstantWeld from J-B Weld. Now, this stuff is great because it's an epoxy, it's super strong, 2,300 PSI strength, and within 2 minutes, the thing is cured up, kind of ready to go. So we've got a mixer here. It's gonna make sure that the two halves swirl together, and by the time it comes out the end, like that, it should be all mixed and ready. Make sure it gets in that crack nicely. There we go. Oh man, that's beautiful. Beautiful. I'm gonna fold it over, kind of hang on to it for a minute or two, let that thing set up. Stronger than super glue, and that dude should hold, man, and save you a lot of money on a repair, quick and easy. All right, guys, with this gonna be dried, put the panel on. I'm gonna meet you back over here.